All right, this is Dave Allred again. I've got a product review here for you, and this is a heavy duty, I believe it goes up to 2.5 inch or 2.25 inch piping. It's a tube cutter, obviously a pipe cutter, and it's by Capri Tools, obviously, and it's pretty stinking nice, heavy duty type thing. You can kind of see some of the nice features. Most cutters will have these wheels here, so it rolls nicely around the tube or the pipe. It's got a nice sharp cutting wheel. It's also got a quick release valve here, so you can move the lever back, and it's got a replacement cutting wheel inside the handle, which is very cool. One cool feature that I really like is this thing right here, which I pulled it out real fast, and it's you know how when you cut a tube and it's got all those little shards left over? Well, this can clean it up really easy. It's just a little tube that you can stick inside the tube and cut it up and clean it up real fast. So anyway, that just slides real nicely into that groove and comes out pretty easily just by using your fingernail to pull it out of there. Anyway, so I'm going to cut a pipe with this. Get it on camera here so you can see it, and we'll see how this sucker works. Alright, so I've secured it to this old pipe. I really don't have any pipe to replace at the time or cut, so I've got some old PVC pipe that I had laying around. And for those of you who've never used a pipe cutter, I'll do a little how-to here. Basically, all you have to do is get to the size you need it, slide it over the pipe, a couple of twists of the handle right here until it's nice and secure. Just make sure that it's seated in the wheels, the rollers that we have in here, the bearings, and nice and tight. And then you just do a spin, tighten it again, spin, tighten it again. Repeat the process until you have a nicely cut pipe. All right, and so this is a pretty clean cut. I don't know if you've ever used like a sawzall or a hacksaw to cut a piece of pipe, but it usually leaves little shards in there. And so what you can do is you can get this little tool out here, just kind of go around the inside, and it just kind of, you can do a little bevel. You can, you just clean it out real nice. Do the same thing around the outsides if you need to. But anyway, so this thing's pretty sweet, no problems with this whatsoever. Capri Tools, you have a great tube cutter here. Very awesome.